Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Settings with Windows key plus I. This gets you into the UI immediately. Once inside, click Accounts and then your info so you can change the picture tied to your Microsoft or local account. Make sure the image file is already on your PC, placing it in Picture Speed selection, and note that Windows accepts common formats like JPG or PNG. You're now ready to pick an image. Proceed to the image upload step in the next slide. You will click Browse for one under Create Your Picture, which opens File Explorer so you can navigate to your saved file. Once you pick the image, Windows may present a quick crop or preview. Use it to frame the face or area you want visible, then confirm to apply the change. If you're signed in with a Microsoft account, this picture will sync to other devices. If you're on a local account, it changes only this PC. After applying, check the Start menu icon. You finish by signing out and back in or restarting Windows to ensure the new profile image appears everywhere, including the login screen and Start menu. If you need to edit an older local account differently, open Control Panel User Accounts for alternate options. If the photo doesn't update, make sure your online and Microsoft account sync is enabled. Disconnecting and reconnecting the account often forces a refresh. And if problems persist, try a different JPG/PNG with smaller file size before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.